Hello everybody, welcome to our presentation today, and this is Team 8. Today we will share with you our information about the assignment 3. First of all, it is the table of content which has the Scrum meeting, Scrum sprint, containerization, and the Dockers. For Scrum meeting, we will cover the client documentations and the project proposal. What we have discussed to collect and analyze the requirement from the task is creating the team contract and client confirmation to start the project, contacting the client to discuss their requirements, collecting information from the client's requirements, finding the suitable system functions and abilities to do the apt, creating the client documentation to give information about the user's acknowledgement and developers want, choosing a developing environment and end users and the purposes of the project. And then we will come to the Scrum sprint. In here, we will look at the requirement from the clients to updating system, receiving the demands from clients and planning for the updating requirement, creating the user story to set the requirement from the customer, creating the task follow the client's requirement, and contributing the information and updates. We also discussed the implementation of DevOps into the project. And finally, it is the containerization. For containerizations, it is a method of running software in the cloud system to reduce the error and bug from the original way of storing files and software in a computer environment. For running method, it is about storing an application, including every material related to that application to make it run efficiently and not make any bugs while running in a different computer environment. Application. It is used for dispersing. It is a very positive development for dispersing application and microservice because each container is acting independently of the other. It helps the application reduce the dependence on each other and prevent a small error or bug point in the process. And it impact of containerization on the management of software and development is very much. It works on the local machine development. It is easy onboarding of new developer to the project. It is fast application deployment, and it is also concurrent development of application. However, it has some challenge like, first of all, every application in the container is split into the same operating system, and this could make damage and attack on the operating system. Secondly, the scanner in the container's environment only protects the operating system, not the application container, and this could be an easy way for attackers to damage the system. And finally, we come to Dockers. Dockers is a tool of container work by the virtualized operating system. And the purpose of this tool is to be used as a container to cover and run files in the computer environment. These containers are different from each other and cover their own files and applications. And this is what we want to share with you about our assignment 3. Thank you for listening.